Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right center door hinge on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Unthread the Phillips head screw to release the right top hinge cover. Lift off the cover and use a T25 Torx bit to unthread the front and rear mounting screws, securing the hinge to the appliance. Leave the two side adjustment screws intact. Support the door as you remove the hinge. Open the refrigerator door to a 90-degree position and have an assistant help you to lift the door off of the hinge bushing and set it aside. Lift off the bushing, then use the T25 Torx bit to unthread the three mounting screws to release the old center hinge from the frame. Install the new right center hinge by aligning it on the frame, then thread the mounting screws to secure. Position the hinge bushing and make sure the washer is intact. Set the door on the bushing at a 90-degree angle, then close. If the door does not close properly, it's likely that the closing cam inside the door will need to be reset. To do this, unthread the screws to release the center hinge from the frame. With the hinge base parallel with the door, insert the hinge pin and bushing into the hole. Now rotate the hinge so the base is at a 90-degree angle to the door, and the cam should be reset. Remove the hinge and reattach it to the frame. Set the door on the hinge bushing at a 90-degree angle, and you should be able to close it properly. Realign the top hinge and thread the two mounting screws to secure. Replace the cover and secure it with the screw. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.